We got the lumber and the insulation to do the floor. Super excited. So we can start on that. Sick of sanding. Still need to sand a lot more, but this will be something productive. Feel productive anyway. So here we go. Here we are, gluing the floor. Lots and lots of glue. Got our piece cut and ready to go in. Okay, Vinny helped me get the rest of it in. We got it all glued up. We're halfway done with the foam. It's 2 inches of foam over the whole thing. And we'll do 2 inches of the rest of it. So, yeah, good night's work. Doing a little update on the bus build. So, I just got rails put up on the roof. I got them from Saunders Way. He's got a really good video on it, how to do it. So you can see it all back down there. I've got stuff coming to join the two together. They just didn't come in time. Here's the other side. But need the leaf blow up here, but get the metal shavings off the roof. Just followed his instructions and it went real easy. Also did some updates on the inside. I'll show you those. So on the inside, we got all the flooring mostly done. The flooring's all done. And we got 2 inches of insulation. Just gotta finish up this step area. Just gonna use 1 inch insulation on that, but I put a little foam along the cracks so we can start. Use this real crazy TNG stuff. Advantech subfloor. Just using Chuck Cassidy's way to do the floor. So I appreciate everybody liking and subscribing and keeping up. I appreciate all the comments and the great stuff. We're gonna push real hard this year to try to get this bus done before the fall. So we are gonna do it. So next is we're gonna paint this floor and then try to work on our layout, what we want it to look like. That's the plan. So thanks for liking and subscribing. I appreciate it.